Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can create a new whiteboard project or presentation on Microsoft Whiteboard. So let us get started right away. So head over to Microsoft Whiteboard. For example, you can access it via Google search, for instance. And after that, make sure that you're logged in with your Microsoft account. And once you have clicked into Open Whiteboard, it will be redirected to your home section. So let me do that really quickly. If you don't know how to access your home section, guys, simply click on that home button in the top left corner. And here you will see a list of all whiteboard presentations you have already started. And also this button here in your whiteboard. So click into it. That is going to redirect you to that list of template categories like learning, for example. So you may go with one of these templates. And after that, let me go, for example, with that brainstorm template, click into use this template here. After that, the given template will be loaded. So you will see this cursor here indicating that you can place your, for instance, in this case, your brainstorm template anywhere here on your canvas. So let me place it here with my left mouse, and it is going to create the brainstorm, in this case here, brainstorm whiteboard template, so that you may customize and edit it by adding various elements here from that tab at the bottom. That's how you create a new whiteboard. So if I head back to my home section, guys, you will see that this new project has been added to my list, as you can see here. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.